Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove Microsoft Edge as your default browser. Let's begin. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. In the Settings window, select Apps, then click on Default Apps from the left side. Now scroll down until you find the browser you want to use instead, for example Google Chrome or Firefox, and click on it. You'll see a list of file types and link types like .htm, .html, HTTP, and HTTPS. Click on each one, and a pop-up will appear asking you to choose an app. From the list, select your preferred browser instead of Microsoft Edge. Repeat this process for all the main web file types and links. Once you've finished, your chosen browser will handle all web pages and links by default. And that's it! You've successfully removed Microsoft Edge as the default browser and switched to the one you prefer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.